installing a new shower valve. I'm just going to show you guys how to do this. Here's the valve. I put all this stuff together already because I didn't want the video to be 20 minutes long trying to cut all these pipes and get them together, but I'm going to show you. When you're cleaning these pipes, you want to make sure you clean them really good with sandpaper. I always clean them, check them, go a little bit more just to make sure that they're good and clean. What I'm doing here is, this is called a suppressor. This pipe here is going to go here, and it's going to actually keep your pipes from making any noise in the wall. So now that I got the pipe good and clean, I'm going to put some flux on there. And also you want to put flux inside your tee. Slide that pipe on there. Here's another one. You want to make sure you just get the pipe covered in flux. It helps suck all the solder in. Also, after you clean with the sandpaper, you never want to touch, the joint where you've cleaned, because solder won't stick to it then. Need a cap. Now this is the part where we hook up the pipe for the shower head. This here is called a dropear. It's going to hold your, your shower head when it comes out of the wall. Which I already have this pipe all cleaned up. Just need to flux it and put it in there. So you want to always put some flux inside there, and then go around the pipe with it. And then what we'll do is stick this on here. Put some flux on the other side. Stick some inside the valve. Put this up here. And for now I'm just going to let it sit up there. But once we get ready, we'll actually put a board in the back side, run from stud to stud, and attach it to where where we need it to be sitting at. But right now it's just going to sit in there. The other very important thing you want to know about when changing a shutoff valve, this here, you want to make sure that you take this out. This here is just a plastic ring, but a lot of times the valve is in there. See, this here is actually a strainer to catch any kind of rust or anything that gets inside your shutoff valve or in your valve. You want to make sure you take this out, because once you start heating up all these pipes, like you're going to see me do here in a minute, it would melt this piece of plastic. So we're going to take these out and set them off to the side. Hotter than the blue can. You always want the yellow can when you're soldering pipes. It's a lot easier. You always want to make sure you keep your solder pulled off when you're doing this. You don't want to get your hands too close. Okay, now that we got the joints all soldered, when you're doing this, you can actually see when you put the solder up there, the solder will actually suck in around the pipe, and that tells you your joint's pretty good. What you want to do is let this all cool down because it's very hot. You don't want to touch any of this. Wait till it cools down before you put your shower valve back in to turn on the water. Hopefully this video helped you out a little bit. If you have any comments, please let me know what you think. Thanks for watching the video.